Palantir, breaking news, ticker symbol PLTR, a massive beat tonight. We're going to talk about the stocks as we await the earnings call. As I'm recording this, we are live waiting for the earnings call to begin. You can see here how it literally popped up big time. Let me go over to this screen here. Palantir earnings tonight. Look at that. A 14.27. It was up nearly 16% a few seconds ago. If we scroll down, you can see it's a massive beat. It's a record beat. Look at that there. We've got 14 cents and expected 11. It's absolutely floored Wall Street. A very solid growth and a huge beat. Congratulations to Alex Karp and the team. Let's talk about the numbers and let's talk about the business very quickly. Before the earnings call, we've got half an hour to go before the call. Palantir non-GAAP EPS of 14 beats by 3 cents. Revenue 827.52 million beats by 46.28 million. This is a great result. Palantir Nasdaq Q4 non-GAAP EPS 14 beats by 3. Revenue 827 million, up 36% year on year. Beats by 46.28 million, close 129 deals of at least 1 million, 58 deals of at least 5 million, and 32 deals of at least 10 million. Close a record-setting 803 million of US commercial total contract value, up 134% year over year and 170% quarter over quarter. Please tap the like button if you like this. I'm making this during a live stream, and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much indeed. US commercial remaining 1.79 billion, up 99% year over year and 47% quarter over quarter. Customers count grew 43% year over year and 13% quarter over quarter. Cash from operations of 460 million, representing a 56% margin. Outlook for Q1 25, we expect revenue between 858 to 862 million versus consensus of 799, so expecting a beat again. Adjusted income from operations of between 354 to 358 million. For full year, we expect revenue to be between 3.741 and 3.757 billion versus consensus of 3.5. Another good beat expected. US commercial revenue excess of 1.07 billion, representing a growth rate of 54%. Adjusted income from operations between 1.551 and 1.567 billion. Adjusted free cash flow of between 1.5 and 1.7 billion. GAAP operating income and net income in each quarter of this year. The shares are up at that moment 7.52. Then they popped up 15%. So let's talk about Palantir just for a moment. I think it's really important, this one. This is one famous for Alex Karp. Is very controversial character, very exciting character indeed. However, we need to remember that this is a company that is massively overbought, but now a big favor of Trump and Elon. I'll talk about that in a moment. But just remind ourselves, before you get carried away and keep wanting to buy, Alex and the team have been taking profits, and they're bound to do it again. Let me just show you how overbought this stock is. We like to look for quality value here. Remember, we bought this for 9. We would not be buying this now. PE forward 215 times earnings. It's one of the most expensive stocks on the planet. 215 times earnings. Valuation F. It couldn't be worse on valuation. So it's not a buy for us at this level. We just can't do that. Growth A+, up. Profitability up, A. Momentum A+. Revisions A-. It doesn't get better than this. It really is great. However, it's too expensive. Everyone just keeps buying it. Remember, retail investors don't really care about value. They'll just buy it regardless. And that is a bad place to be. You should never, ever do that. But anyway, people do. And that's fine. Tap the like button. Let me talk about the company right now. So we like this one. Alex Karp is very much like an Elon Musk character. Now, why I mentioned Elon Musk and Trump in this conversation is the fact that Elon Musk and Trump are looking for efficiencies of business. And that is without doubt what this company is all about. saving money, making their efficient. And of course, Trump will like the whole military, AI angle, warfare, all of that stuff. So this is very much in favor right now, but you have to find a way in, and there just isn't one. It's very much like Tesla in the early days. This is a stock that could suddenly find itself at $300 or $400. I know that sounds crazy, but people will just keep buying it, and they'll think it's cheap, but it's not. But they'll think it is. So be very, very careful. It's a great business, but it is massively overbought, and it's if no one cares. So anyway, join me for the earnings. If you didn't join us live for the earnings, I will give you a link now, and you can listen to the edited earnings, which is exactly the same as the main earnings, except we've improved the audio so it sounds even better and put out as its own video. So you don't have to waste time watching before and after, just the earnings itself. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll post it in the comments as well. Over here, I shall put the Palantir playlist, and down here, I shall put the Palantir earnings. Go and check it out. Leave me your thoughts. We've got polls running on our community page on YouTube and on X. Leave me your thoughts. Here is the X and Instagram. For everybody else watching live, it's in the chat. For those of you watching later, it'll be below in the description of the video. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.